Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com SSO with AWS Cognito step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service from the Services menu. Click on Manage User Pools to access your existing user pools. Select the user pool you want to configure for SSO authentication. In the left sidebar, click on App Clients. Here, you will either create a new app client or select an existing one. If creating a new client, click on Add an app client. Fill in the required fields such as app client name and choose settings as needed. Ensure to enable the Generate Client Secret option if your application requires it. Click on Create App Client to save your settings. Now, navigate to the Domain Name section in the left sidebar. Set up a custom domain name for your Cognito user pool, or use the provided domain. Ensure the domain is available and click on Save Changes. Next, go to the Federation section in the left sidebar. Click on Identity Providers to set up an SSO provider. Choose SAML as the provider type for monday.com. Fill in the required details such as the provider name and metadata URL from monday.com. After entering the information, click on Save Changes to add the provider. Now, navigate to the App Client Settings section in the left sidebar. Enable the authentication flows you wish to support, such as authorization code grant. Add the callback URLs provided by monday.com for successful authentication. Specify the sign-out URLs as needed for your configuration. Make sure to include scopes such as OpenID and email in your settings. Click on Save Changes once all the information is entered. Next, go to the monday.com account where you want to set up SSO. Navigate to the Admin section and locate the SSO settings. Select SAML as your SSO type. Enter the necessary details like the identity provider URL and the signing certificate from AWS Cognito. Ensure you include the appropriate ACS URL provided by the AWS Cognito user pool. Fill out all required fields, including the audience URL, matching your app client ID. Enable and save your SSO configuration in monday.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.